What's the meaning of advanced placement? Advanced placement. Advanced placement. Advanced placement. Advanced placement. Advanced placement. Advanced placement. AP is a program in the United States and Canada that offers college-level courses and exams to high school students. The courses are challenging and cover more material than regular high school classes, and the exams are scored on a scale of 1 to 5, with a score of 3 or higher considered passing. If a student earns a passing score on an AP exam, they may be awarded college credit or allowed to skip introductory courses in college. Taking AP courses can also demonstrate academic rigor to college admissions officers and potentially improve a student's chances of being accepted to competitive universities.